everyone, Kelly Shaffner here. Welcome to my channel. Today's video is the rest of the story. This is the rest of my Goodwill Outlet BINS haul. I went to the BINS and I came home and I promptly sorted everything, and I thought I would try my hand at the buy-sell trade store. Took some items to the buy-sell trade store and they bought 24 items and paid me $58. My entire haul cost $54 for everything you're going to see here today. Well, some of the stuff you're not going to see unless you go back and watch this video, which is my experiment with the buy-sell trade store. And the video right before that includes the 2 pairs of shoes that I bought. Wow. I hope you're following me here. Anyway, this is a Goodwill Outlet BINS haul where you pay by the pound. And guys, I've been having a really rough week. I try to film my videos ahead of time and I am not good with technology, and I lost my last 2 hauls. And so I was going to just move on, and then I thought I haven't even put these items into inventory, so I'm going to share them with you very quickly. Everything is listed in my Poshmark Closet. That is always linked in the description below if you want to see how I price things or the descriptions on the items. I had to get everything listed because I have swim and summer in this haul. I pick up everything at the BINS that I think I can sell, and I might be picking things up at the BINS that I think I can sell to buy-sell trade stores in the future. Anyway, let's get into this. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you're new, please subscribe and join me again jumping into this haul. I do think I mentioned that I did pick up quite a bit of athletic wear. I normally only get athletic wear at the BINS because I don't like sorting through it at the thrift stores. These are actually a straight leg, like yoga pant legging, and these are by the brand Prana. Now, these are also a short inseam, so I don't know how that will do, a medium short inseam, but they were in really, really good shape. You could see that label looks really nice, so I brought it home. Next up, I have, guys, I was so tempted to try these on, but look how short they are. This is a pair of Lululemon running shorts. I think they're called the Speed Up shorts. They do have the size dot, and they're a size 12, which is awesome. This is one of the only larger sizes of this shorts listed on Poshmark right now. So I was so excited to find them. I found quite a bit of Lululemon on this trip, and most of it was in larger sizes, size 8 and above. So that is incredible. I like to pick up sports bras. All of the bras are in similar sizes, but not exact sizes. I think this one is a 36D. This is a Victoria's Secret Sports. I've had a lot of luck selling this particular style, the one with the zip in the front, and then there is the closure also there. So I think I'm not going to look at all the sizes because they're teeny tiny and I'm not wearing my spectacles. Next up, this one's in good shape. This is a Lululemon bra, and all of the information is here, but I did not find the style name on this, but it is a Lululemon, and I think this one is a 36D. I might be wrong, guys. Check my descriptions if you're curious. This one is a light green, white stripe, little gray accents on it, and this one is also a Victoria's Secret sports bra. And this one has the crisscross back, and this one I think, oh, it actually says, I think this is strange. The size is on the outside. It is also on the tag on the inside, 36 double D on this one. I am so curious if this athletic wear all came from the same person. Do you guys ever think those thoughts when you are thrifting? Next up is a pair of linen pull-on shorts. I am not familiar with the brand on these. I just thought they were really cute. These are Briggs size medium. Kind of cute. Probably almost expiring in season, but I love these. I love these so much, and I had a difficult time with the pictures on these shorts. Let me get up. I don't know if you'll be able to tell, but this is actually a blue and white plaid check by Banana Republic. Great size, size 10. Kind of just a cute little short. And one more pair of shorts. Excuse my reach, guys. Pair of denim shorts. This is a brand I like to sell. They're just a little shorty in a really good size. They're Venus and they are a size 10. Do I have my finger on it? Venus size 10. So yeah, in really great condition. And here is the only swimsuit that I picked up. This is a bikini top. You know, I think I listed this as a floral, but maybe it's not a floral. This is what it looks like. This is also by the brand Venus, and I believe this is a fold-over waist. Now, these do not have the same size. This is a Venus size 8, and the top is a Venus double D. But I did list this as a set because I think sets sell better, and surely there's someone out there that will fit this suit, so I did list this as a set. A few more athletic leggings. These are a cropped legging, a space dye legging. They are a Lululemon, and they do have this little kind of kick pleat in the back or a slit in the back. And the size dot looks really good. You can read it. It is a size 8. Can you read it? Anyway, yeah, I could not find a stock photo of this, but hopefully someone's going to want some crop Lulu leggings. And next up, I found these, and I think these are really cute leggings. They're very thick, almost like a scuba fabric. They look like this, a little ruching on the edges there. There are no tags inside. None at all. I do not know the size. I guessed the size at a size medium. Do you know that logo? I looked at these and I could not figure out the logo at the BINS, which is kind of crazy because I've sold this brand before. This is Carrie Underwood's Kalia, and I did list these as a size medium based on the measurements, but I'm not sure. But I always make that note in my listing that I have measured and guessed. And the last pair of leggings is, you guessed it, these are Nike. These are the Nike Dry Fit, I think. Yeah, Nike Dry Fit. They are a size medium. They're in really good shape. I am able to sell these, so I do pick up Nike when I can find the leggings in good condition. So size medium, full length Nike, just do it. I think this is the end of the athletic wear. I have two tops here. They don't look that great. They look better on my mannequin than they do on the hanger, but both of these tops are Lululemon. I think this one is going to do better than the white one because this one does have the size dot in it, and this is a size 8, and it also has a little camo on it. This one looks like this. All white. It's in really good shape. I didn't see any staining or anything like that, but no size dot. Neither of these tops have the pads that go inside the top, but they're both in really good condition, and I did list them both as a size 8 because they measure the same. Now I'll share with you some of the plus size pieces that I found. I'd love to add plus size clothing to my Poshmark closet, and I've already sold some of it from this haul. And if you noticed, most of the clothing that I took to the buy sell trade store was more junior sizing because this is what I love to sell. Now, this is a brand that doesn't really move that quickly for me, but I thought this top is in really fabulous condition, a really cute print. This is actually a purple and brown, and this is a Michael Kors top. Let me see, where is my tag? Oh, here, is that the tag? Okay, here's the tag. Okay, there it is. A Michael Kors size 3X in really nice condition. I think this would make a beautiful shell for the fall and even going into the winter months underneath a blazer or a cardigan. It's very, very soft. It does have the keyhole in the back with some cloth covered buttons on it. Really good shape. You know, I love my Torrid as well, and I pick it up almost every time I find it in good condition because I feel like it brings traffic to my Poshmark closet, drinks well with others. So this is what it looks like. This is just a navy blue tank top, and this is a Torrid size 3. Are you reading? Ooh, sorry about the lights there, guys. All right, this top, I was excited when I found this top, and this is a brand I have never sold before. I had to stop and ask myself, is this a men's or a woman's top? This is a women's top. This is a plus size top by the brand Worth. And what size are you? And oh, I'm sorry, this is an extra large. So this is still a straight size. This is kind of a cream colored cuffed sleeve, button front, short sleeve top by the brand Worth, which I'm going to give a try. When I ran the comps on this top, it looks like it is selling for about $25. I didn't run comps at the bins. I brought this home, thought I would give it a try, but there is a little bit of snagging. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but a little bit of snagging right there. I am not going to sweater shave this because I don't want to damage this any further. I think it can be worn as is. I had to note that, of course. And this is one of my favorite finds of the day. It's a flax piece, and I listed this as a top, and I listed this as a 1X, I believe. There's no size in it. Yeah, I find lots of that. No size flax, but this is linen. There's no fabric tags either, but I've never run into a flax piece that was not linen, and you can see it's kind of oversized lagan look with these kind of smocked pockets on it. It's got a really cool collar in the back, the square cut, almost like a sailor collar. But I was excited to find this, and I know this is a larger size, but gosh, with the oversized cuts of these flax pieces, I guess you never know. Again, I put all the measurements in my listing, but I'm always excited when I find flax because this brand moves very quickly for me. And this piece I thought I was going to keep for myself. In fact, I filmed the first haul video in this top, and it just was not a perfect fit on me. This is, I believe this is a vintage piece. This is R&M Richards, and it's the tag there that makes me believe that it's vintage. This is a size 16, and I love this ribbon detail on this split neck. And also, you see those little gold buttons, little bar buttons on it. This has a full zip. Let me do it. Like a full zip down the back. How easy to get into. And also some buttons right there. I thought this was so beautiful, but unfortunately, it's a vintage size 16. I thought it might fit maybe like a size 12, but the shoulders, they just came down too far on me. So I decided I am not going to keep this, but I really, really like this piece. It also has some slits on the side, so I think this would look really cute with leggings and knee boots. Oh, I forgot about this piece, you guys. I was so very excited to find this piece. It's just a little black, almost like a cap sleeve top. This is plus size. What size are you? A +2. It looks like this. It does have a very interesting kind of cut on the front of it, which is probably better seen in pictures. Let me put a picture right up here so you can see the stock photo on this blouse. This is MM LaFleur. It is a size 2X. I was so excited about that. It does have the keyhole in the back with the button. I love this brand. I own clothing by this brand. They operate out of New York and also in DC, and one day I am going to go into their shops. I've received several bento boxes where you can have a box created for you of brand new clothing and try it on at home, decide what you want to keep. It's very, very expensive. It is created with the career woman in mind, and people are going back to the office, and I think this was just such a super find. Now, it did have a small mark on it, and I just took my chances. I thought it was worth taking a chance, and sure enough, it cleaned right up. MM LaFleur clothing is not dry clean only. You can wash this on the delicate cycle, so that's always a positive, right? All right, this piece I think is really, really cute. It looks very basic, right? But it has a lot of little details on it that just make it so cute. It's got the crochet lace, which is semi-sheer down the arm, and the button detail here. This is an Anthropologie brand that I've never tried selling before. Little yellow button, real easy to identify when you're in the thrift store or the bin. This also has an unfinished chiffon detail around the collar, and also, no, it's not on the hemline. But this is what it looks like. It's taken everything in my power not to try this on. I need to get this into my inventory, or this may become a piece of mine. All right, I'm gonna give these a shot. They were white, and they still are white. There is one little mark on them that I wasn't able to get out right there. And maybe someone that washes better than I can get these out. I thought I would give these a try because they're a great size. These are an extra large, and they're so nice. You can feel the quality in these pull-on white ankle pants. The brand on this one, this is a brand I do really well with. This is Soft Surroundings, and it's an extra large. So why not, right? Why not try them? And this is it, guys. This is the last piece in the haul. Everything is going into inventory, and this is a dress. I thought I only got one dress because this was folded up in my basket, and it's a summer dress. It's lightweight, although it is fully lined. Yeah, you see that lining there? It is fully lined. It's just a lightweight dress, and this is HD in Paris. This is a size 4. This is an anthro dress. I thought I would give it a shot. I don't know how it will do. It does have silk accents. The black collar or neckline and the attached waist tie is all silk, so that makes it kind of nice. It's a pretty little dress, but it needs to sell quickly because summer is almost over, and yeah, cute dress, right? So that's it. That's everything I got at the bins. Let me put this up. That's it. That's the entire 37 pounds. Crazy, huh? Next video, I promise, I will do one video regardless of how many pounds I get. I can't believe this actually turned into 3 videos, and it was only 37 pounds. Thank you so much to those of you that support this channel by watching my haul videos. I really appreciate it. I should address this right now. I recently got a comment that asked me to stop making haul videos. The comment said that my haul videos were harmful to new resellers, and that has never been my intent, guys. My intent with this YouTube channel is just to share what I am doing. I've never, ever claimed to be a teacher. In fact, I think I've said it on numerous occasions that you, my viewers, have taught me so much. You guys are my teachers, and so let me just give a disclaimer. Do your research. Do not replicate what I'm doing, although that would be almost impossible to do because I can't make a laundry list of what I'm going to find at the thrift store when I go today. I would like to, but it just doesn't work like that. But do your research and bring home the items that you think are going to make profit for your business. And with that said, I am going to get busy. Thank you so much for watching. Thumbs up the video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't done that already. I'll see you very soon in the next one. Blessings.